शिशुओं को साथ साथ हम लोगों को भी इस एड्स दिवस के महत्व को डिटेल से समझावें और जो हम लोगों की यदि जानकारी में अधूरी रह गई है उसे पूरी कर करके हमें प्राप्त करें। धन्यवाद।
Very good afternoon, principal ma'am, board teachers, and future teachers. Slide पर test करें. Today I am here to, on the occasion of World AIDS Day, to give you more information about this deadly disease, so that you have brief knowledge of AIDS, which will benefit for the society because you are the main knowledge distribution bank of society. To create awareness among them. AIDS means acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It is a group of, it is not a particularly AIDS, if we say AIDS is not a disease. It is a group of symptoms. So it is said to be acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Syndrome is group of diseases. It is caused by HIV virus. That is called human immunodeficiency virus. The first case was registered in 1981 in US. This type of days are celebrated to create awareness among us, so that people will come to know about the AIDS. Global attention is presently focused on main prevention of this disease, so that everybody should know about how it spread, what causes this type of disease, how we can prevent. Mortality rate of AIDS is 100%. Means no patient survived after acquiring this disease. So much deadly this disease is. Main causative agent is retrovirus. That is used to call HIV. This is also prevalent, which age group is prevalent, how many number of cases is registered. India is the third. Among the cases, number 1 is the South Africa, number 2nd is Nigeria, number 3rd is India. We have almost 20.89 lakh. Case was registered in 2011. At that time, number of patients was 20.89 lakhs. And every day by day it is increasing. Because in rural area nobody knows about this thing. How to prevent it. If somebody is suffering from AIDS, nobody is going to cooperate him. So he or she used to hide this disease. So again he is giving some, if he is donating blood or due to contact, this disease is spreading among the people. The first case in India was detected in 1981. And globally, it is first detected in US in 1981. What happens in this disease is our body has a fighting mechanism. That is T cell. T cell used to fight among, if you have any cold, cough, something like this type of disorder, body fight by itself. the fighting capacity of the body, that is T cell, it directly act, this virus act on the T cell, fighting cell, and it decreases its count. That is called CD4 count. This is the diagnostic aid also. We will diagnose the case if somebody goes for CD4 count. This is biochemical test in which if CD4 count is less than 200, then the patient is called to be, he is suffering from AIDS. This is the main diagnostic tool. Main thing is that in AIDS it reduces our fighting capacity to any type of disease.